Imagine a machine, not much bigger than a large bird, that can change the world. This isn't science fiction. It's the idea behind the DEUTRINO drone, or as scientists call it, the gamma neutron defensive drone. Think of it as a super smart high-tech guardian. Its job is to keep us safe, not by causing big explosions, but by using incredible science to stop threats before they even begin. These drones are designed to be precise and powerful, operating from a distance to solve problems without putting people in harm's way. They are the next step in thinking about safety and security, using brains over brawn. It's a whole new way of looking at defense, and it is pretty cool. So how does this amazing drone work? It's all about focused energy. The DEUTRINO drone has a special device inside that can create a very specific, very controlled beam of energy. This isn't a laser like you see in the movies. It's a stream of particles, including deuterons and tritons, which helps create a fusion reaction to generate neutrons and gamma rays. This beam can travel up to 7 kilometers, which is like the length of 70 football fields lined up end to end. From that safe distance, the drone can aim its beam with pinpoint accuracy. It doesn't need to get close to its target to do its job, making it a very effective and safe tool for defensive missions. The core technology is based on something called controlled particle emission. The drone accelerates deuterons and tritons, heavy versions of hydrogen, and smashes them together. This tiny fusion reaction releases a directed burst of gamma rays and neutrons. It's like having a miniature star on board, but one that we can control completely. The drone's clever systems can adjust the intensity and focus of this beam, tailoring it for different tasks. Whether it needs a gentle touch or a powerful push, the drone can deliver exactly what is needed. This incredible control is what makes the DEUTRINO drone so revolutionary and so versatile in its applications. This ability to project energy with such precision from a distance changes everything. Instead of sending soldiers into dangerous situations, we can send a drone. Instead of using explosive weapons that cause widespread damage, we can use a focused beam of energy that only affects its intended target. This technology represents a monumental shift in how we approach global security challenges. It's about being smarter, safer, and more responsible. The DEUTRINO drone isn't just a piece of hardware. It's a symbol of how science and engineering can create solutions that were once thought impossible. Consider this: a future where defense is about de-escalation, not destruction. One of the most incredible things the DEUTRINO drone can do is neutralize nuclear weapons without causing a nuclear explosion. This sounds amazing, and it is. A nuclear weapon works because it contains very specific, unstable materials, like enriched uranium or plutonium. The drone's focused neutron beam can interact with these materials from a safe distance. This interaction changes the very nature of the material, a process called transmutation. It essentially calms down the unstable atoms, transforming them into a more stable, non-fissionable substance. In simple terms, it turns the dangerous core of a bomb into a harmless lump of metal, making the weapon completely useless. But the drone's abilities don't stop there. Imagine an enemy tank, ship, or fighter jet moving to attack. These machines are packed with sensitive electronics that control everything from their engines to their weapon systems. The DEUTRINO drone can target these vehicles with a powerful pulse of energy from its 7-kilometer range. This energy pulse overloads and fries the delicate electronic circuits inside. The vehicle's computer brains are scrambled, and its systems shut down. A tank stops in its tracks, a ship drifts aimlessly, and a plane loses its controls. The drone doesn't blow them up, it just turns them off, like flipping a switch. Now think about how an invading force communicates. They rely on radios, satellites, and computer networks to coordinate their actions. The DEUTRINO drone can also disrupt these vital links. By directing a broader, less intense energy field at communication towers or power lines, it can create enough electrical interference to jam signals and disable the power grid in a very specific area. Without the ability to talk to each other or power their equipment, an attacking army becomes confused and disorganized. Their advanced technology becomes useless, stopping an invasion before it can gain any momentum. This is a powerful way to defend a nation without firing a single bullet. This new form of defense makes traditional warfare almost pointless. If your most powerful weapons can be turned into scrap metal from miles away, and your forces can't communicate, What's the point of attacking? The DEUTRINO drone creates a powerful deterrent. It tells any potential aggressor that their efforts will fail. This shifts the focus from military confrontation to peaceful negotiation. When fighting becomes futile, countries are encouraged to sit down and talk through their problems. The drone's ultimate purpose isn't to win wars, but to make them so illogical and unwinnable that they never even start. Peace becomes the most logical option. What makes the DEUTRINO drone so reliable is its incredible brain. It's equipped with an advanced artificial intelligence and autonomous guidance system. This means the drone can think for itself. Before a mission, it receives its objectives, like disable the electronics on that ship or neutralize that missile. Once it's launched, the drone can carry out these instructions on its own, even if it loses contact with its human operators. It can analyze its surroundings, identify its target, and make real-time adjustments to complete its mission successfully and safely. This independence is crucial for operating in complex or hostile environments. Communication is key, and the drone's communication is locked down tight. All the messages sent to and from the drone are protected by something called quantum encryption. This isn't your average password. It's a method of encoding information that is, according to the laws of physics, impossible to crack without being detected. If anyone tries to intercept or listen in on the drone's communications, the message itself changes, and the operators are immediately alerted. This ensures that the drone's instructions remain secret and that it cannot be hijacked or controlled by an enemy. It's like having the ultimate secret handshake that only the drone and its team know. The drone's smart systems are also built for survival. It has sophisticated sensors that can detect incoming threats, like a missile or another aircraft. The AI can instantly analyze the threat and take evasive action, all without waiting for a human command. It might change its altitude, deploy countermeasures, or use a quick burst of energy to disable the threat itself. This self-preservation capability means the drone can operate with a high degree of confidence, protecting itself while it works to protect others. It's not just a tool, it's a resilient and intelligent partner in defense. This combination of autonomous operation and secure communication makes the DEUTRINO drone a formidable and trustworthy guardian. Its ability to complete a mission independently means it can handle situations where every second counts. The unbreakable encryption ensures that its mission integrity is never compromised. These features provide a level of reliability that is essential for such a powerful technology. We can trust the drone to do exactly what it's told and only what it's told, making it a responsible and effective instrument for maintaining peace and stability in a complex world. The same technology that makes the DEUTRINO drone a powerful defender can also be used for incredible peaceful purposes. Consider the problem of nuclear waste. Old nuclear power plants have left behind barrels of radioactive material that will remain dangerous for thousands of years. A stationary ground-based version of the drone's technology could be used to treat this waste. By bombarding the radioactive material with a controlled neutron beam, we could transmute it into a stable, non-radioactive substance. This would solve one of the biggest environmental challenges of our time, making our planet cleaner and safer for future generations. Science is awesome, but the vision gets even bigger. The core of the drone's energy source is a controlled fusion reaction. Fusion is the same process that powers our sun, and it promises a source of nearly limitless clean energy. By scaling up the drone's technology, we could build fusion power plants. These plants would use simple elements like hydrogen as fuel and produce no greenhouse gases or long-lived radioactive waste. This would be a revolution for our planet, ending our reliance on fossil fuels and providing the clean power needed to lift communities out of poverty and drive human progress forward for centuries to come. Our planet also faces threats from outer space. Large asteroids or comets occasionally cross Earth's path, and a major impact could be catastrophic. A powerful space-based DEUTRINO system could be our planetary defense shield. From orbit, it could target an approaching asteroid with a sustained energy beam. This wouldn't blow the asteroid up, which could create many smaller problems. Instead, the beam would gently heat one side of the asteroid, causing gases to vent off. This would act like a tiny rocket thruster, slowly and safely pushing the asteroid onto a new, non-threatening trajectory. Ultimately, the DEUTRINO drone and its underlying technology represent a profound choice for humanity. It shows us that the same scientific principles can be applied to create tools for defense or to build a better world. By making warfare obsolete, it pushes us toward a future where we must cooperate and solve our differences peacefully. Its potential applications in clean energy, waste disposal, and planetary defense offer us a path to a safer, more prosperous, and sustainable future. This technology isn't just about drones. It's about using our scientific knowledge wisely to protect our home and unlock a brighter tomorrow for everyone.